Welcome to the Morning Dig podcast with Chris Williams, where in under 5 minutes, I discuss experiences, achievements, and lessons that have motivated me so they can also help you kickstart your day and to keep digging in. Good morning. Welcome to another edition of the Morning Dig. I'm coming at you guys today a little extra fired up because I want to talk to you about a personal thought that I've had that has been weighing on me tremendously lately. And that is, it's okay to root for people that were rooting for you to fail. And I'm not just talking about your family. We probably all have some family members that, whether or not they rooted for us to fail, had an expectation that the decisions we were making, the path we were going down, the friends we had, the music we listened to, were going to lead us astray and weren't going to meet their expectations of what is success or what would work or what didn't work or business or, there's so many different ways you can look at it. I'm talking about your friends. I'm talking about if you own a business and you've had friends that work for you and they've left and had disagreements about your business and ultimately started rooting for you to fail because you weren't doing things the way they wanted things done. If you've been in the trenches of business as a high-level executive or a manager or a business owner for any amount of time, you know that ultimately, especially as you start building momentum and success, you're going to attract people that are rooting for you to fail. It's for a multitude of different reasons. Some people are rooting for you to fail because they just don't want to see you win. You've rubbed them the wrong way. You just aren't someone they like. They just woke up one day and looked at it and said, I just don't like that person. It could be because they've had a negative experience with you or felt that you wronged them. It could ultimately be because they're projecting their own failures onto you, and because their attempts at success were a failure, they want to see you fail too. Doesn't really matter why. All that matters is we turn around and still root for them to win. Because here's the thing. If you're winning and you're doing it the right way, if you're winning and you're reaching back and helping others, your success is ultimately allowing others to succeed as well. And if that person that rooted for you to fail is succeeding, whether it's in the same industry as you, in a parallel universe, doing something completely different, it doesn't matter. If they're winning, our expectation is they're doing the right things. Therefore, they're also helping other people succeed with their success. It's what we call rising the tides, because rising the tides raises all ships. And for me personally, I would rather see a hater win. For one, they'll probably stop paying attention to me, which is nice. But two, if someone that doesn't want to see me win wins, still win. I want to see everybody succeed. With that mindset, negativity, bitterness, all that stuff gets washed away. The past is the past. If we've had a conflict, and someone's decided to leave because of that conflict, whether they were a client, a paying client, a friend, a family member, or a staff member, I still want to see you win. I still care enough about the community as a whole, the ecosystem that is humanity. I still want to see everybody win. And it just makes living a positive, forward-focused life so much easier. And if you're feeling the stress of revenge or wanting to see someone else lose because they've rooted for you to lose, try it the other way. Reverse it. Kill them with kindness. Send them positive energy. And I guarantee you, your overall positivity, the way you view life, will be a little brighter, a little happier, and a little more stress-free. Give it a shot. Love to know how it goes for you. Keep digging in. Thank you for taking the time today to experience the Morning Dig podcast. Whether you're a first-time listener or long-time listener, I hope that this has given you value, that you found the time to share this with friends so that you keep inspiring and rising the tides for all. If you haven't yet, take a moment to check the description below and follow me on my social media accounts for daily motivation, education, inspiration that I hope continues to provide value for years to come. As always, my goal is value. So if this provides value, continue sharing with others, keep digging in.